Hello, my dear students. How you all are? I hope you all are well. Dear students, we have finished 3 lessons in English first, that is the grammar book. These are noun, gender, and number. I have given explanation of noun and gender as well as number. The explanation has not been given because there is nothing much to explain. You can go through the book and you can see that how it is changes. We have read earlier so many times about number and gender. Now let's start Malala. Malala and India at play. These are in the syllabus of unit test first. Now what is Malala? Malala is the name of a girl. In fact, the name of the girl is Malala Yousafzai. Now see at the introduction, this poem is about Malala Yousafzai, a young activist from Pakistan. I hope that you all have heard about Malala Yousafzai. And if you haven't heard about her, please search on net. From an early age, Malala has championed the cause of education for children in her home country. She won the 2014 Nobel Peace Prize at the young age of 17. It means just at the very young age of 17, she got the Nobel Peace Prize. For what? For the right of education. In Pakistan as well as in Afghanistan, there is no right of education for girls, especially for girls. Girls are not allowed to get education. And Malala raised her voice to get the education, and she plays for continuing her as well as other girls' education, and this was the cause that she was shot. However, by the grace of God, she was saved. Now let's read the poem first. Where there is darkness, light is forbidden. Where there is darkness, light is forbidden. If there is darkness, there will be no light. Light is not allowed. Forbidden means allowed. The brightest of sparks, it means the most bright light, have to be hidden. The most powerful light will be hidden in the darkness. Yet radiance shines through and goodness will thrive. Courage and kindness will always survive. Now what is the meaning of these lines? As I have told you earlier that this poem is about Malala Yousafzai, a young activist from Pakistan. As a young girl, Malala defied the Taliban in Pakistan and demanded that girls should be allowed to receive an education. And she refused to be silent and fought for her right of education, especially for the girls and women. So these lines, the line, yet radiance shines through and goodness will thrive, and courage and kindness will always survive. These two lines is indicating the courage, the kindness, the willpower of Malala. Okay, let's come to the second para. Malala Yousafzai. Now the poet is introducing Malala. Malala Yousafzai, a girl with a heart, vowed to be true, to make a new start. She demanded to know in consternation, how dare they take away my education? Malala felt darkness around her, darkness of being uneducated, where the light of education was forbidden. The brightest of a spark was symbolizes actually the hope for the education, which was forbidden, which was hidden underneath the darkness. There is no denying that there is evil in this world, but the light will always conquer the darkness through which courage and kindness. Malala is a person with a beautiful heart who made a promise to fight against the terrorism and to make a new start to get back the girls' education amidst the dismay and gloom. So she plays for the right of education and she defied that how the Talibanis will not allow us to get education. Darkness came swiftly to shut down her dreams. Right in her school bus, she conquered their screams. Bravely, she blogged on to fight for her choice. The world quietened down to hear her sweet, quietened down to hear her sweet voice. The world quietened down to hear her sweet voice. Now, what does it mean? It means the darkness, it means the terrorist came to shoot her so that they can put an end to the dreams of Malala. And she was a hope for others. They wanted to also put an end to the hope of girls, the other girls, the girls' right to get education. The terrorist came when Malala was in a school bus. She was going to school and she was shot down over there. But after recovering, she has written in her blog about the right of education and plays for the right of education, which blog you know what is the blog is the, you have heard, I think you have heard about this. There is a column which is on the YouTube which is called blogger site or the bloggers. They usually write on a certain topic which people like or about which the people like to what yes like to know about. And this is this on this site the people can write. So Malala also used a blog and she was a blogger and she wrote about the girls' education and the right of education. And this blog was read by some of the Talibanis and the terrorists, and they came to know about Malala like this. And so she was quietened down. Now she was shot dead and the world quietened down. The whole world came to know about this step of Malala, the step of Talibanis against Malala, and they hear the sweet voice of Malala. The sweet voice means they hear what was demanded. The whole world, Malala actually attracted the attention of the whole world. I am Malala is our battle cry for children who yearn to reach for the sky. Written by Ron Mendrick. Here it means, you can see the word meaning is also given over there. There are not so many word meaning. I hope the small meanings like the conquered and screams, you know the meaning well. So we are about to discuss the last line. And for her daring act, she was shot down by the terrorist for her daring act and in the school bus. But she was survived with the God's grace and bravely raised her voice against them again. And apart from this, she showed the importance of education and proved that pen is mightier than sword. The whole world became silent in front to hear her sweet and courageous voice, and opened the path of education for each and every child longing for it to make their future bright. And with this step, Malala was able to open the path of education for each and every girl in Pakistan. Now, I will upload the summary of the Malala. I hope you all have understood. The summary and the question answers you will get in the next class.